Hey everyone, so today I have this wooden bead spinner that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it as well. It comes in 2 pieces, and then typically they also come with this hook. This hook is so important. First, let's add our colors to it. I'm going to be using 3 strands of colors. We're going to add our orange, this pink, I love this color pink, and then another pink. It's also important to be aware of how much beads you have in your bowl. If you have a lot of beads, guys, it's going to be so much easier adding those beads onto the hook. If you don't have too much beads in there, it's going to be a little trickier. We're going to get our string, and then we got our hook. You can see this hook actually isn't a full circle. It's actually just like a hook. Most other bead spinner hook needles, they have it. It's fully enclosed, so it's going to be like threading a needle. This one I like more though because I could just slide it right in there, and it actually stays pretty well on itself. It's not perfect, but I like it much more than trying to thread a needle every single time. All right, now it's actually time to start making the bracelets. We got to be aware of where our needle hook is pointing and where we're spinning the bowl. You can see our needle is pointing to the left, so we're going to spin our bowl clockwise to the right. If you're left-handed, it's just going to be opposite for you. Just make sure you're not spinning the same way you're pointing the needle. All right, going on to holding the needle, I like kind of resting the needle gently against the bowl. We're not going to dig it into the bowl so it's like scraping the bottom, or else it's not going to be able to pick up any beads. After you have a decent amount of beads on, we're just going to slide it right off, but make sure you know where the end of your string is so it doesn't come sliding off the end. Then we're going to repeat that process. We're going to add a little on and then slide it down when we want. Sometimes if you have too much beads on, gravity does its thing, and wherever it's pointing, the beads will slide down. All right, after we have a decent amount, if you want, now is a great time to add pearls or charms. This one I actually think I'm going to make plain. But now we're going to measure it. I make all my bracelets for my business as well, 6.5 inches. And we're short off a couple beads, which was crazy, so I just added those on by hand, and now it's time to tie. To tie it, we're just going to make first a basic knot, and then we're going to make another knot. We're just going to cross it like an X, put it through the circle, but before pulling it, we're going to put that end through the circle again. This is called a surgeon's knot. After that, we're going to pull and make sure it's secure, and then we're going to repeat that same knot. So we're going to make an X, put it through the loop, put it through the loop again, and then pull. After we're done with this knot, there's one more knot, which is just a basic knot. We're going to make an X, put it through the loop, and then pull. So we're making a single knot, double, double, and then single again. I kind of like thinking about it as a double step Oreo. Anyways, after that, we're going to cut it, and then you have your bracelet. We're all done. And she is looking so cute. Guys, after you finish that, you can do it with any colors, any charms. It's stretchy, it's good. If I make a bracelet this way, I could do it in about 1.5 to 2 minutes. But guys, thank you so much for watching. It means a ton. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Bye!